In this video, you will learn how to download multiple pins from Pinterest in mobile. But before starting the video, I want you guys to watch this video till the very end so you don't make any kind of mistake when you're trying it from yourself. So first step, you have to open your Pinterest app. Now you have to select the pins which you want to download. But before doing it, first of all, you have to come in your profile, and now you have to click on this plus icon in a bottom center. After that, you have to click a option called board, and now you have to create a board. So let's say my board name is this, and now you have to click on next. After that, your board was created, and now you have to select a pin which you want to download. So let's say I want to download this pin. So for that, you have to simply long press on this pin, and now you have to click on share, and after that you have to click on. Now you have to open the post which you want to download, and now you have to click on this save button. After that you will have a board which you created later. So now you have to simply click this board and save this post on this board, and now you have to save multiple pins in this board which you created. So let's say I am saving these three pins in my board. After that you have to come back in your profile, and now you have to open your board. As you can see, I'm saved three pins in this board. So now you have to open this board. After that you have to simply click on these three dots in the top right corner, and now you have to share this board, and now you have to copy link of this board. After that you have to open your Play Store. Now you have to install this application in your phone and open this application. After that you will have an interface like this. So here you have to paste your link of board. After that you have to simply click on start. Now your images will be downloading. After that you have to click on start downloading. And as you can see, our images started downloading, and that's how you can download multiple pins